Kids, welcome to our channel Super Kids Super Learners. Today we will learn about the Earth in the solar system. The whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects, some bright, other dim. The sky is studded with diamonds, so let's study about them. So kids, let's learn about celestial bodies. Celestial bodies or heavenly bodies are objects in space such as sun, moon, planets and stars. They form a part of vast universe we live in and are usually very far from us. So by definition, a celestial body is a natural body outside of the Earth's atmosphere. So whatever outside from the Earth, these are all called celestial bodies. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the sky are all celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amount. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. So kids, here are the list of celestial objects. The sun and stars, planets, moon, asteroids and comets, meteorites, meteor, meteorite, the Milky Way and other galaxies, interstellar medium, nebula. So all these are celestial bodies. Let's learn about constellations. While watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different group of stars. These patterns are called constellation. Some example: Ursa Major, Saptarishi. Here I have given one example for constellation. This is the pattern. It is called Saptarishi. North Star or Pole Star. In the ancient time, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. Very interesting. The North Star indicated the north direction. It is also called the Pole Star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. This is the basic characteristic of this star. We can locate the position of North Star with the help of Saptarishi. See in this picture, this girl is watching the North Star following Saptarishi pattern. So in this way she can find out where is the north direction. Coming to the planets, some celestial objects do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the lights of the other stars. Such bodies are called planets. The word planet comes from Greek word which means wanderer. The earth on which we live is a planet. It gets all its heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. Like our earth, there are 7 other planets. So total 8 planets that get heat and light from sun. Some of them have moons too. The solar system consists of the sun, 8 planets, satellites, some other celestial objects like asteroids and meteorites. The sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth. So let's learn the planets' name. How many planets are there? There are 8 planets in the solar system and several dwarf planets. The names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. There is another picture of our solar system in which all the planets name are given with the distance from the sun, right? So kids, here I have tabularized the planet position and their distance from sun, their one orbit around the sun and their own spin on own axis, and the number of moons they are having. So right, so first start from Mercury. Mercury, it is 58 million kilometers from sun. It takes 88 days to complete one orbit around the sun, and it takes 59 days to complete one spin on own axis, and it has no moon. Next planet is Venus. It is 106 million kilometers from sun. It takes 255 days to complete one orbit around the sun. It takes 243 days to complete one spin on own axis, and it has also no moon. Next is Earth. It is 150 million kilometers from sun. It takes 364 days to complete one orbit around the sun. It takes one day, one spin on own axis, and it has one moon. Next is Jupiter. It is 778 million kilometers from sun. It takes 11 years and 11 months to complete one orbit around the sun, and it takes 9 hours and 56 minutes to complete one spin on own axis. It has number of moons 53. So it has very big number of moons. Next, Saturn. It is 1427 million kilometers from sun. It takes 29 years and 5 months to complete one orbit around the sun. It takes 10 hours and 40 minutes to complete one spin on own axis, and it has also 53 moons just like Jupiter. Next is Uranus. It is 2869 million kilometers away from sun. It takes 84 years to complete one orbit around the sun, and it takes 17 hours and 14 minutes to complete one spin on own axis, and it has 27 moons. Lastly, Neptune. It is 4496 million kilometers away from sun. It takes 164 years to complete one orbit around sun. It takes 16 hours and 7 minutes to complete one spin on own axis, and it has 13 moons. Now let us see other aspects of planets. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed paths. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. Mercury is nearest to the sun. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth, right? So who is our twin? It is Venus. Another interesting fact, till August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. However, in a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto is like celestial objects and may be considered dwarf planet. Earth. The Earth is third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the pole, so it is described as geoid. It is called blue planet because its two-thirds surface is covered with water. The Moon. The Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter is only one-fourth that of the Earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days, and it takes exactly the same time, that is 27 days, to complete one spin. So, as a result of this, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the earth. Now consider some other elements of our galaxy. Asteroids. These are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. See in this picture, there are many asteroids between Mars and Jupiter's. It is also called asteroid belt. Some other things of our galaxy. Meteorites. The small pieces of rock which moves around the sun are called meteorites. Sometimes these meteorites come near to earth and due to friction with the air they get heated up and burn. It causes flash of light. So in this diagram you can observe what is meteoroid, what is meteor and what is meteorite. So whatever in the space, it is meteoroid. What comes in our atmosphere and gradually burns, it is called meteor. And what comes to the earth in the form of rock, it is called meteorite. So where we are in the whole universe, we can observe with this diagram. The white glowing path across the sky consists of cluster of millions of stars. It is called Milky Way galaxy. So, we are within this galaxy. In ancient time, it was imagined to be the river of light and named as Akashganga. So, Milky Way galaxy, formerly known as Akashganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars, clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of galaxies that makes universe. So you can observe in this diagram, this girl indicates the earth's position and we are living on the earth. Our earth is within the solar system and this solar system is within the Milky Way galaxy and this Milky Way galaxy is within the universe. So we are all part of this great universe. Let us see some interesting facts. Do you know light travels at the speed of about 3 lakh km per second? Yet, even with this speed, the light of the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach the earth. Because you can see in this diagram, earth is 150 million kilometers away from earth and speed of light is 3 lakh km per second. So in this way we got 500 seconds to complete, right? So our light comes in 500 seconds. Now satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planets moves around the sun. There are natural satellite and artificial satellite. So, a human satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the sun. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EDUSAT. So you can observe in this picture also. We have completed this chapter, the Earth and the solar system. Now we will solve the question and answers. So first question, how does a planet differ from a star? So answer is, unlike stars, planets do not have their own heat and light. So stars have their own heat and light, they radiate in a very glorious manner, but planets cannot, right? Now second question, what is meant by solar system? The solar system consists of Sun, 8 planets, satellites, some other celestial objects, asteroids and meteorites. Coming to a very interesting question. Name all the planets according to their distance from the Sun. So here I have listed down all names of the planets with their distance from the Sun. Let us revise again. First, Mercury, 58 million kilometers away from Sun. Venus, 106 million kilometers away from Sun. Earth, 150 million kilometers away from Sun. Mars, 228 million kilometers away from Sun. Jupiter, 778 million kilometers from Earth. Saturn, 1427 million kilometers away from Sun. Uranus, 2869 million kilometers away from Sun, and Neptune, it is 4496 million kilometers away from Sun. Next question, why the Earth is called a unique planet? So answer is, Earth is called a unique planet because conditions favorable to support life found only in Earth. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which consist of life supporting gases like oxygen, which is very essential for survival. So in this way, Earth is a unique planet. Next question, why do we see only one side of the moon always? Yes, we have also studied this thing. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days, and it takes exactly the same time, that is 27 days, to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on earth. We are having some objective question also, objective type questions. Take the correct answer. The planet known as Earth's twin is Jupiter, Saturn and Venus. Yes, the answer is Venus. Venus is Earth's twin. Next question, which is the third nearest planet to the Sun? Yes, of course, our planet, the blue planet, the Earth. Next question, all the planets move around the Sun in a circular path or rectangular path or elongated path? Yes, correct. The answer is elongated path. Next question, the pole star indicate the direction to the, yes, which direction? South, north or east? Correct, the north direction. So pole star always indicate north direction, and this star always situated or fixed at one place. The last objective type question, asteroids are found between the orbits of, first option Saturn and Jupiter, second option Mars and Jupiter, third option the Earth and Mars. Yes, the correct answer is the asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So some fill in the blanks questions. First question, a group of dash forming various patterns is called a dash. Yes, we have also studied a group of stars forming patterns, it is called constellations. Next question, a huge system of stars is called dash. Correct, a huge system of stars is called galaxy. Next question, moon is the closest celestial body to our earth, right? So moon is the closest celestial body to our earth. Next question, dash is the third nearest planet to sun. Yes, of course, this is our planet. Earth is the third nearest planet to sun. The next question, planets do not have their dash and dash. Yes, planets do not have their heat and light. So this is the main difference between planets and the stars. So kids, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do text me for further information. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much, dear students.